Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Goneedle's how-to videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tote bag at home, a bag like this with the dimensions of 13.5 by 18.5 inches and the strap length is 22 inches. For this, I have used two rectangular pieces, which is 14 inches by 20 inches. And for the strap, I used two rectangular pieces, which is again 24 inches by 2.5 inches. And apart from that, you will need a sewing machine, scissor, tape, some dot pins, an iron which is good to have, and a serger which is not a must. Okay, to do this, your first step is going to be preparing the straps for the bag. You have two pieces. What I have done, this is your strap. From both the sides, you are going to fold 1/4 of an inch and iron all the way down. You are going to do this for both the sides. Fold it into two and stitch it. You will do the same thing to your other strap as well. Remember, whenever you are sewing anything, put your thread which comes from the needle under the foot and behind the foot. I already have the other strap stitched, so you have both the straps. Now for the second step. This is where we are going to be attaching the strap to the bag. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we need to do. Along this edge, you can see, because I have already ironed it, you are going to fold 1/2 an inch and then 1 inch. You will fold and iron along the line. Then you will put two placeholders. I have done two dot pins here to the place where you're going to put your strap. So you're going to take your strap, insert it like this and put a dot pin there, and then go to the other one, take your strap, make sure it does not turn, put this, put a dot pin, okay, and stitch from here along the line up to the end. Okay, let's do it. Okay, your next step, you're going to take this strap and fold it like this. Okay, then put a pin from the other side. Do the same thing, fold it, and put a pin. Now you are going to add a stitch in this area to secure the strap well, here and here. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, you are done. This is how it's going to look. You have attached your strap. I already did the other one. Now I'm going to show you how to attach these two pieces together. Now that we attached the straps to the bags, we are going to go ahead and stitch both of the body parts of the bag together. For this, you are going to have the good sides facing each other like this. Like this. And let's use a couple of dot pins. Okay, now you have put the dot pin all along. So your next step is going to be, you are going to stitch from this end, come all the way down here, come like this, and then go up and finish. Let's get started. Remember to do a reverse stitch and secure the knot. Your bag is stitched. So right now what we are going to do is, I'm going to do a zigzag stitch along this, all the three sides, so the thread will not frail with use. So my zigzag thread is number 4. I'm going to go ahead and use 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. I'm just going to change this. And put this. Okay, now all the sides are done. We are going to go ahead and do the corners of the bottom part of the bag. Okay, this side. This is where we are going to take care of now, this part. Okay, for this, you're going to put your hand from inside the bag and feel this corner, and make it like a cone shape. Can you see? Okay. Now take your tape and measure 1.5 inch, and yes, right here put a dot pin, or you can use a fabric chalk and mark the point. Okay, now fold this right along. The sewing line should be aligned with each other. Okay, and then you create a triangle like this. Make a crease, and then you're going to go ahead and stitch from this end to this end along this crease. Do the same thing to the other side as well. Both sides are stitched. I'm going to go ahead and turn this around. Again, in this corner, we can create this edge and fold it and iron so that your bag will look nice and neat like this. Your tote bag with a wet in wet paint in the background, so that you can do this heat transferring, which I had showed in another video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.